Hi everyone, 2025 is gone, and before we could blink, we are already on the 11th day of 2026. So I'm recording this video on January 11th, 2026, and it is 3:45 p.m. here in India. Why I'm sharing this with you is because I don't know when you will watch this, because now I'll give this to the editor. The editor will edit this. Probably I'll post it tomorrow. You may see this on the 30th of January, maybe in February, March, April, December of 2026. I don't know when you will see this. But why I'm creating this video is because time just flies. Time will just slip out of your hands like sand. So, if you have any goals, if you have any clear objectives, it is time to start acting on those things now. And I don't know what is your goal. I don't know what is your objective. My main purpose of creating this video is to tell you that the time to act is now. In December, I conducted one community meeting. I asked all of the community members very simple questions, and I want to share this with all of you today because YouTube is a bigger community and I want all of you to benefit from it. So, the number one question is, what is that one thing which you want to give up in 2026? And question number two is, what is that one thing which you want to start new or which you want to accomplish in 2026? Very simple. It should be one thing which you want to give up. It should be one thing which you want to do. It should not be two things, three things, five things, 10 things. If you have those goals, good. But tell me in comments, what is that one thing which you want to give up? And what is that one thing which you want to start new or which you want to accomplish? Because see, if you have clear goals of the most important item on your list, let's say you have 10 goals, but if you know what is that top priority one goal, that it makes it very clear in your mind that that is one thing you are going to go after. Before you share your details in the comments, let me share what have I done. So the one thing which I have dropped successfully in the last 11 days is I have stopped watching videos on my phone. It sounds simple, but it's a big change for me. What it means is, in the last 11 days, I have not watched a single video on my phone. If I really wanted to watch a video, I went onto my laptop and on laptop I watched that video. Which means I am not binging on YouTube, I am not binging on Netflix or any other OTT apps. I am not watching videos on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or any other app. If it is a video, I make sure I go and watch it on laptop or on TV. Okay, it is that simple. Now, why am I doing this? One reason is because I want to have very clear intention that, okay, if I want to watch a video, I will go and open my laptop and watch it there. Because over there, my focus is on that video, and most likely I will not end up scrolling to the next video, which usually happens on the phone, because once you watch one thing, you end up watching 10 other things which you actually never planned to watch. Okay, so that was a big problem for me. I've ended that problem on 31st of December 2025. I have dropped it completely in 26. 11 days I'm successful. I don't know how the rest of the year is going to be, but right now it is completely in my control. And this is an example which I wanted to share with you so that you understand when I mean that you should drop something or stop doing something in 2026. What is that one thing? And now, what is that one thing which I wanted to start for a very long time, which I've done in 2026? That is, I've started my YouTube live podcast series. So I've already done 3 weekend live sessions with 3 guests. You might have seen some of those videos already. In the first one, we got Anshuman Tiwari. Second one, we got Harshal Javle. And in the third one, we got Naveen Shamla. So we have done 3 lives already. That was one thing which I wanted to start in 2026. And that is already done and dusted. Now it is just a matter of continuing that momentum. So similarly, you will have your own goals. It can be related to job search. It can be related to career. It can be personal. Whatever it is, be very clear of what is that one top priority goal and then just go after it. Drop whatever you need to drop, but you need to go after that one single goal. See, my friends, like I said, time will just fly. Time will just go out of your hands. A lot of people who approach me for job search or for career coaching are actually people who have been laid back for years, not just days, weeks, or months. They are sitting on something for years. As basic as updating their resume, it can be as fundamental as updating their LinkedIn profile. But they were just procrastinating it for years, saying, I don't need it now. I will do it tomorrow. Okay, I don't know what is the right format. Okay, I'll probably do it next week. So they always had a reason for not doing it. And when that important thing became urgent, then they approached me and they started to ask my help. And it happens with a lot of people, right? So please identify what is that one important thing on which you are sitting for years and you're not doing it. It can be something related to monetary thing. It can be something related to relationships. I don't know what it is, but please find out that one thing which you have been discarding or delaying or procrastinating for years. Pick that thing. If it is absolutely important, please get it done before it becomes urgent, because you will always find a reason to not do something, but your focus should actually be on finding that one reason why that thing needs to be done. And the time to start that action is now. It is not after 10 minutes. It is not after 1 week. It is not after 1 month. The time to start is now. Everybody is busy. You are busy. I am busy. The Prime Minister is busy. Everybody is busy. So let's find out that time for that one thing which we want to do. Because if you find a reason to not do it, it is very clear that something else is more important. Okay, it is that simple. For important things, people always find time. That is my message in this video. I hope that is straight and you like it. Let me know what do you think about it in comments. And if you like the video, share it in your WhatsApp groups. Hit the like and the hype button. I'll see you in another video soon. Take care and bye for now.